Rejection of the Pakistan demand. So Muslim League demanded of a separate Muslim state called Pakistan. However, that demand was rejected. So background: Muhammad Ali Jinnah formally demanded the creation of Pakistan based on two nation theory. However, Indian National Congress opposed the idea, rejecting the communal division of India. So Muhammad Ali Jinnah demanded the creation of Pakistan, and that was based on the two nation theory. However, Indian National Congress never supported this. So cabinet missions rejection. The cabinet mission that came to India, they also rejected this demand for Pakistan. The cabinet mission rejected the demand for Pakistan because of the following reasons. Now we will see why was the demand for Pakistan rejected. Demographic complexity. A separate Pakistan would include large number of non-Muslims in Bengal and Assam, making its creation impractical. So, in India, there was never an area which had only Muslims, or there was never an area which had only Hindus. It was there, only Hindu area was there thousands of years ago in the ancient period, but after the advent of Islam in the Indian subcontinent, we did not have separate areas. So, even though Muslims were majority in the northwestern part and in the eastern part, still in those majority areas in between we had Hindu villages. Therefore, it will be difficult to create a separate state of Pakistan when there were large number of non-Muslims in between the majority Muslims of areas like Bengal and Assam. Communal self-determination. If Muslim League was granted Pakistan, then Hindus in West Bengal would demand a separate Hindu majority Bengal, including Calcutta. Similarly, Sikhs would demand Ambala and Jalandhar divisions. So, if a separate state is given on the basis of religion, then it would mean that all religion could claim as part of territory for their own. So, if Muslim League was granted Pakistan, then the Hindus in West Bengal will demand a separate Hindu state with Calcutta as its capital, and the Sikhs would demand a separate Sikh state where they are in majority, like Ambala and Jalandhar. So this was a complex situation because if we fulfill the demand of the Muslims, then we will have to fulfill the demand of other religious communities also. Economic and administrative issues. Partitioning Bengal and Punjab would disrupt regional ties and create severe economic and governance challenges. So, partitioning a major state which was together for thousands of years means economic loss and administrative challenges. Many people are there who work in some area and live in some other area, whose farmlands are there like 20 kilometers away from their houses. So if partition is done, probably your farms will fall, your agricultural earning areas will fall in another country, and your house will fall in another country. So how to manage all those things? And this actually happened in Bengal. There are many situations where a house was even divided into two parts. So one brother's house fell in Pakistan, in East Pakistan, and one brother's house fell in India. So like these administrative challenges happened. Geographical challenge. The two halves proposed Pakistan, like the East Pakistan and West Pakistan, would be separated by 700 miles, making it geographically unviable, leading to administrative difficulties. So one part of Pakistan will be West Pakistan, which will be in the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent, and another part will be in east. So the eastern area will be almost surrounded by India on all sides, and the where eastern part of western Pakistan division will also be surrounded by India. So these two parts of Pakistan, East and West Pakistan, will be separated by 700 miles with India in between. So how will this be possible? So there will be geographical challenges, and this later happened because it was difficult for both the parts of Pakistan to run together. So one part was being dominated by the other part, and so the East Pakistan, the area of East Pakistan, demanded independence, and right now we have the country of Bangladesh as a result. Outcome: the rejection of Pakistan by the cabinet mission led to increased tensions between Muslim League and Congress, pushing India closer to partition in 1947. So, with the rejection of the demand of Muslim League, there was tension between Muslim League and Congress, and thus that tension increased, leading to eventual partition in 1947. For detailed information, follow REG History Extended.